Okay, guys, let's open up a file that we want to make a cloud brush. Okay, so first step, as always, unlock your layer, image size, and let's make it, this time I said we're going to make it the larger size 19, change the resolution to 300, make sure it's on inches, make sure this is locked, and say okay. All right, so we have our picture open. Command 0 brings it back. Command minus makes it a little smaller. We're going to find some puffy clouds from the internet, okay? And we're going to open them. All right, so now I have two files open, puffy clouds and my image. Okay, so we want to do a rough cut with the lasso tool, okay, around the cloud. All right, so see how I'm just rough cutting with the lasso tool, okay? And then we're going to do Command X, Command V, and put the cloud by itself on a layer, okay? We are also going to image adjustments, make this black and white to add some contrast. And I always change my levels because we want to have some texture and contrast on our cloud. Okay, so we did the lasso, we cut it out, and we changed the color image adjustments to black and white, and we added our levels. Okay, so now we're going to use our brush tool, which we used last time, and I'm gonna just go to a textured brush. Okay. And we have to, we're going, oops, I'm going to make this a little smaller. Okay. And I'm going to go around to clean up these edges a little bit. Okay. So I want to make sure this says clear, not normal. Okay. So as you could see, if I go around my cloud, I'm getting a soft edge. Okay, notice my opacity is on 67, my flow is on 55, okay? So I have a little bit of a shape coming here. I'm actually gonna make my flow and opacity a little bit more, and I'm gonna hit the harder edge again. We don't want that hard edge, okay? So now we have a puffy cloud, okay? You could check this by adding a layer. Okay, guys, see how puffy that is? That's exactly what we want to happen. Okay, I'm going to shut off that black layer. Now we're going to reselect our images, but this time you're going to use the quick selection tool. And we're going to have a cool selection. Oops, too much. Oh, there we go. Okay, so guys, can you see I have my cloud selected? Okay, so here's what's going to happen. You're going to say, edit, define brush preset, and I'm going to call it cloud 3. I think I have some other clouds. Okay, and we're good now. So watch. When we go to our other picture, okay, now you're going to go on your brush again. It knows what I want to do. It already has me on cloud 3. Okay. So if you click on cloud 3, okay, so look, you could see my little cloud shape. Look at it on my black shirt, okay? But I want to make some changes. So you click on this folder, which is our brush presets, and you're going to change the, what do we want to do here? The jitter. Where's the jitter? The jitter, the scattering, and color dynamics. Okay, so scattering. So look what happens, guys, down below. Okay. Jitter is down here. Okay. Color dynamics. Okay. So you're going to play with all of these things so it looks pretty. Then transfer. Good. All right. I think that's good. So now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And Let's see the magic happen here. Oops, I'm erasing. Hold on. I'm going to just move this and this. Guys, make a new layer, of course. Okay? And when we're on the brush, oops, okay, you have to change it back to normal. Okay? So look, here's some black smoke. Okay, actually, let's do, I think white, you'll see better. Let's do white. Hold on a second. Okay. All right, so here's some white smoke. Okay, so how do you want to apply the smoke? Now, you could also, guys, I could then go to like gray and do a layer of gray on a new layer. Maybe a little darker gray. Let's see. On top. Oops, too much. Too much. Let me see. Too dark. Okay, so you could change your color, right? Because like smoke has like different dimensions to it. Okay, and then also, guys, you could do your filter effects, your blending modes. Okay, so how do you want to apply? Oh, that looks cool. The color dodge, overlay. Okay, so you play with these soft light. All right, and then always, guys, you could just go back in and add some more. Okay, and this is how we add more intentional smoke. Okay, you could also lower the opacity. All right, and that's it. Okay, so file, save, and make sure you save. Awesome.